Welcome to BSPMA. Today I am going to show you a project demo on automatic lawn cutter. A lawnmower is a machine utilizing one or more revolving blades to cut a grass surface to an even height. The height of the cut grass may be fixed by the design of the mower. A robotic lawnmower is designed to operate either entirely on its own or less commonly by an operator by a remote control. Let's design our own basic lawnmower. Let's see the main components. You require a high-speed DC motor and a nylon thread of 1.5 mm diameter to really cut the grass. Let's see the functional block diagram. It consists of a microcontroller, a obstacle sensor for detecting an objects, a RF receiver to receive a commands from a RF remote control, a motor driver to drive a DC gear motors for a robotic direction control, a MOSFET driver to drive a high-speed motor for a grass cutter. System has a 12 volts battery which can be charged from a solar panel through a charge controller and a 5 volts regulated power supply for a microcontroller and other peripherals. Let's see the circuit diagram. It consists of a ATmega32A microcontroller running at 8 MHz clock and operates at 5 volts power. HCSR04 ultrasonic rangefinder is connected to the GPIO pins. Data pins of HT12D are also connected to the GPIO pins, and the valley transmission is connected to a interrupt pin. L293 motor driver to drive a DC gear motors. LED and buzzer are used for indications. A grass cutter is built using a high-speed 25,000 RPM DC motor which is driven from the MOSFET IRF Z44N and controlled from the PWM signal. The system has 12 volts 1.2H lead acid battery which can be charged from a solar panel through a charge controller, and a 5 volts regulated power supply is built using LM7805 regulator. Let's see the program. The program is very simple. When the power is applied, the init function will be called where all the peripherals are initialized and the microcontroller will put into the sleep mode once the external interrupt is occurred, and if valid RF data is received, then the robot will move. While it's moving, if an object is detected, the robot will take a U-turn to cut a uniform grass across the lawn. If same RF signal is received again, the robot will stop. The program is written in Atmel Studio 7. Let's see the hardware. It consists of a ATmega32A microcontroller, a L293 motor driver to drive a 2 DC gear motors, a IRF Z44N to drive a high-speed motor, and a pair of capacitor to suppress the noise, RF receiver with HT12D decoder, a 3 watts solar panel and a charge controller, a ultrasonic rangefinder to detect an objects. Input port of the system is 12 volts from a lead acid battery and regulated to 5 volts using LM7805 regulator and a RF remote control. Let's power on. Once the power is applied to the controller, it will initialize the peripherals. Once it is done, it will monitor the RF receiver. If the valid command is received, the robot will move. Let's control the robot. Robot is moving forward. Let's check whether it really cuts the grass. Object is detected taking a U-turn. Let's stop the robot. Let's check out in the lawn. Circuit diagram, program and other details are available in the description. If you have any doubts in the project, leave them in the comment section below. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like, please thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Until then, don't forget, keep learning.